2022 Dodge Challenger. The 2022 Dodge Challenger is the latest addition to the family of Dodge muscle cars. However, not much has been revealed by Dodge for its affordable muscle car. We expect the vehicle to be a carryover model, as Dodge will not be bringing any potential changes to its lineup. The Dodge Challenger has been in existence for a very long time, and that is quite apparent by the styling it still carries. What's new? There isn't a whole load of changes, as the 2022 Dodge Challenger is going to be a carryover model. The bodywork does get some refreshment, as the body lines are more blended in and look much more modern as compared to the previous year's model. Amongst all other competitors in this muscle car segment, the 2022 Dodge Challenger is the most old-school styled vehicle, but isn't obsolete at all. The engine in the base variant is a humble V6, however, that simply isn't enough for patrol heads. The story gets interesting where the car gets equipped with the supercharged V8s, which is where the Challenger earns its name from. Fuel economy _SVG _STB 22922, fill. Number 13A2E4. 8.0, 10 fuel economy 8.0, 10 interior. Exterior _SVG _STB 21510, fill. Number 13A2E4. 6.0, 10 exterior. Safety _SVG _STB 2116, fill. Number 13A2E4. 9.0, 10 safety. Competition _SVG _STB 28173, fill. Number 13A2E4. 8.0, 10 competition. 2022 Dodge Challenger features. The Dodge Challenger follows the same old trim structure, where it offers two base configurations. The coupe from Dodge offers no new updates or features and comes in the SXT priced at $28,295 and GT trim with $31,295. The car doesn't change any mechanical things from the past, and both these two models offer great safety features and premium upgrades in the GT trim. The GT trim adds stylized features like larger 20-inch wheels, upgraded seats and brakes, paddle shifters, and rear parking sensors. The vehicle offers two trim choices with two separate RWD and AWD configurations, with the AWD that costs $3,000 extra and comes as optional. The list of standard features in both the trims are 4-way power adjustable front passenger seat, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AM, FM, satellite prep, Seek Scan radio, cloth seat trim, driver lumbar support, dual-zone front automatic air conditioning, dual-zone automatic climate control, firmer suspension tuning, halogen headlamps, infinity sound system, LED daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, rear seat climate control, spoiler-mounted solar panel. We recommend the 2022 Dodge Challenger GT that is expected to cost $3,000 more than the base SXT trim. Seems to be a more comfortable coupe and an intelligent choice. However, you can shift the performance with the choice of an AWD or RWD depending on what you need, and the GT adds some additional features like paddle shifters and steering-mounted cruise controls. Pricing. The 2022 Dodge Challenger is expected to be priced a few $100s more than the previous year's model, as there are not a lot of changes made. Hence you can expect the starting price to be somewhere around $28,500, and the SRT Hellcat trims may go up to $35,000. 2022 Dodge Challenger release date. Since it's too early to make a call, manufacturers haven't given a tentative release date, but looking at the usual pattern of Dodge, the release is expected to happen sometime in the fall of this year. However, the pandemic seems to be on the rise again, which is why they may push the date back a bit. 2022 Dodge Challenger engine and performance. As mentioned earlier, the 2022 Dodge Challenger is going to be a carryover model. The car hasn't been fully redesigned since 2008, which is just marketing or giving it an actual old-school look. However, one thing that has been changing is the powertrain and its configuration. This year-round Dodge has fitted the base variant of the Dodge Challenger with a 3.6L naturally aspirated V6 that pours out 303 HP at 268 pound-feet of torque, however that changes up really quick. The SXT trims are going to be run by 3.5 LV6 engines, which are considerably powerful but not so much as compared to the SRT's 6.2 LV8 engine that produces over 700 horsepower. The 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT is a maniac when it comes to power and road performance. Speaking of performance, the 2022 Dodge Challenger flies through the 60 miles per hour mark in just 5 seconds in the base variant and closer to 3 seconds on the topmost variant. The quarter-mile distance is covered in just 13 seconds. This is partly because of the quick transmission allowed by the 8-speed automatic or the manual transmission that you get. Overall, the 2022 Dodge Challenger is a beast in all truly means. As compared to the competition, the SXT doesn't actually look too good in terms of performance, but as soon as the SRT steps in, the dust clears and the car at the finish line will be the 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT. The Ford Mustang comes with the second highest power and the Nissan 370Z comes with the most powerful engine in comparison. 2022 Dodge Challenger Fuel Economy 8.0, 10 expecting great efficiency from the vehicle that promises to deliver on the power front is too much of an ask. However, the 2022 Dodge Challenger does not disappoint. Speaking of the average MPG in the suburbs, the Challenger offers 19, 30 on the highway and 24 combined. 24 by any means isn't bad at all. With a fuel tank capacity of 18.3 gallons, the range is shot up to about 500 to 600 miles on the highway. Overall, the 2022 Dodge Challenger is a decent vehicle when it comes to fuel. The only muscle car that can surpass the 2022 Dodge Challenger in terms of efficiency is the Ford Mustang EcoBoost, with a combined MPG of 24. However, on road both these numbers are practically the same. The Chevrolet Camaro also offers the same fuel tank capacity. The Camaro also shares the combined MPG with Challenger. 2022 Dodge Challenger Interior 8.0, 10 There aren't a whole lot of updates to the 2022 Dodge Challenger's interior. The overall design, comfort, and convenience are quite similar to what it was before. However, who doesn't like a roomy cabin, leather upholstery in the entire cabin, and even soft touch material? Even the base variant of the 2022 Dodge Challenger is going to feel rich. However, if you're hellbent on getting a more premium feel in your vehicle, the best way to do that would be to get the comfort package or go for better trim. The GT adds houndstooth cloth seats with extra bolstering to provide you a sporty and aggressive feel. Some added interior features include front seats with power 4-way driver lumbar 10-way power. Even the base variant of the 2022 Dodge Challenger is going to feel rich. However, if you're hellbent on getting a more premium feel in your vehicle, the best way to do that would be to get the comfort package or go for better trim. The GT adds houndstooth cloth seats with extra bolstering to provide you a sporty and aggressive feel. Some added interior features include front seats with power 4-way driver lumbar 10-way power driver seat power height adjustment, with cushion tilt, manual recline, power 4-way lumbar support, and manual rear seat easy entry 4-way passenger seat Inc. Manual recline, 4, aft movement, manual rear seat easy entry 60 to 40 folding bench front facing fold forward seat back cloth rear seat tilt, telescoping steering column fixed rear windows. Infotainment features. Talking about the infotainment system, the 2022 Dodge Challenger receives a 7-inch touchscreen display that is crisp and responsive. Apart from the display, the infotainment also features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 6-speaker audio system as standard. Hence, if you're someone who likes to play media while driving, the 2022 Dodge Challenger is going to be a nice pick for you too. Added interior features include 7.0-inch touchscreen display 4 GLTE Wi-Fi hotspot Apple CarPlay integrated voice control with Bluetooth connectivity Media Hub, 2 USB ports, auxiliary input, Sirius XM satellite radio 6-speaker audio dual zone automatic climate control.